Good morning, students. Today we shall learn a new topic in the sexual reproduction in the plants, that is the female gametophyte, that is the gynecium. Now the female reproductive organ in the gynecium is the pistil. Now, the pistil we can say is the female reproductive part wherein it consists of the stigma, style and the ovary. But in a flower, the pistil may be one or more. Now, if it is one, it is known as the monocarpillary. And if it is more than one, it is known as the multicarpillary. Now again, in this multicarpillary pistil, the pistil may be fused with each other, or we can say free. If it is, we can say fused, it is known as the syncarpus. We already have studied in the 11th standard. And if it is free, it is known as the apocarpus. Okay. Now talking about the three parts of the pistil, it consists of the stigma, style and the ovary. And ovary contains the what, children? That is the ovule. Now, based on the type of the style, we can say style is again of two types, children. That is, style can be hollow or we can say solid. Now, hollow meaning, if you look carefully in the diagram, children, so in the periphery there are cells being arranged. It is known as the hollow. Whereas in the solid, many types of, we can say, cells are being arranged compactly. So that is the difference between the type of the hollow style and the solid style, children. Now, let us talk about the structure of the, we can say, the female gametophyte in detail, children. Now, if we talk about or take the example of the angiosperm. Now, the most common type of the angiosperm female gametophyte is the anatropous. Now, this anatropous is bitegmental, or we can say bitegment. Now, bitegment meaning two integuments. Now, on the other hand, the gymnosperm, they are, we can say, having the unitegment. Unitegment meaning one. So in that case, what we will do is, we will not talk about the gymnosperm. We will talk about the most commonly used, that is the anatropous in detail, we can say. Okay, children? Now, if we talk about the structure of the female gametophyte, that is the anatropous, bitegmental, then it is being attached to cord-like structure in the ovary known as the placenta. It is known as what, children? Placenta. Now, this is the part of the ovule. You can see. Now, the part of this which is being attached to the placenta, it is known as the stalk. Now that stalk body is known as the follicle. Whereas this rest part, it is known as the body, children. It is known as the what, children? Body. Now, the part of the funicle which is attached to the body, it is known as the hilum. And the part which is extending, that is this part. Let me extending or stretching, that is known as the raphe. It is known as the what? Raphe. Okay, children? Now, there are two integuments, that is the outer and the inner one. So this is the outer integument and this is the inner integument. Now, the end which is being opening over here, this one is the micropyle end or the micropolar end, we can say. And the end which is opposite to the micropyle end, this one, it is known as the chalaza. Now, it is interesting to know that these cells are being present in this end part. And the cells which are being present, we can say, there is a cluster of cells which are present over here. It is known as the nucellus. It is known as the what? Nucellus. Now this nucellus is the diploid cell, that is the having the 2N. So if the meiosis or meiotic division occurs, what would be the polyploidy of these cells? We can come to know on the basis of the division that it undergoes, children. Now, this nucellus can be less, we can say, or more. Now, if it is, we can say, less, it is known as the serinucellate, or we can say crassinucleate. We can say it is known as the crassinucleate. It's the C. Whereas if it is more, it is known as the tunicellate or tuninucellate, we can say. Now, once the nucellus undergoes the division, the cells which are being present at the end of the micropolar, that is this cell, we can say, it grows big in size, or it grows, okay, large amount of size, we can say, and that cell, it is known as the MMC, that is megaspore mother cell. And this megaspore mother cell will give rise to the or undergo the meiosis division, wherein it will give rise to 2, 4, 8 nucleated type of cells. Now out of that, the 4 megaspore tetrad which is being produced, that we discuss in the next lecture, children, 3 of them disintegrate and the one grows or it undergoes nucleate division. But the nucleate division that it undergoes, it is not rapid or it does not follow by the division of the cell membrane. So in that case, what are the characteristics and how does it form, we will discuss in the next lecture, children. So I hope you are clear with the topic, children. That is the structure of the, we can say, the female gametophyte, okay, and the formation of the MMC, that is the megaspore mother cell. Now, megasporogenesis, that is the process by which the megaspore is being produced from the MMC. So the process of producing megaspore from the megaspore mother cell It is known as the megasporogenesis. Okay, children. So the structure of the division of the, you can say, the 4 tetrads of the megaspores, we shall study in the next lecture, children. I hope you have understood with this. Okay, children. Thank you.